Welcome back to my channel Data Solution. Hope you are doing very well. This video agenda is to understand while loop. In previous video we already talked about basic loop. If you do not watch previous video, you can watch from my channel Snowflake scripting playlist. So before going to start, I request you viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. And if you have any question, you can use comment box to ask question. I will definitely answer your question. So now let's get started and learn while loop. While loop iterate while condition is true. In a while loop, condition is checked before the loop runs. If the condition is false before the first iteration, then body of the loop does not execute even once. Syntax of while loop is here very simple. You can write here while loop in bracket, we apply here condition, then we can use here do, or we can use here loop. Then in between this body we can use here Snowflake scripting statement, then end of the while loop. If you use here do, then we need to write here and while. If you use here loop, then we need to write here and loops. And this is the level, this is optional. Okay, we can write here level as. So let's get started with demonstration. Here I am using anonymous block, beginning and end of the anonymous block. Then we use here let to define here variable and assign to 0 initial value to counter variable, and we apply here while, and this is the end of the while. We use here do, so we use here and while. Okay, and in bracket we apply here condition counter is less than 5, or we can say if counter is less than 5, then it's true. Here is counter initially 0, then it's execute while body here counter assigned to counter plus 1. It's iterate first time and now counter is now 1. Again here check here is counter is less than 5. Yes, there is only 1, then it's execute again and now counter is go to 2. Again here check is counter is less than 5, because here counter again this value contain 2, then again here is true and again this body execute. Okay, and it's go up to 5 times, because here 4 is less than 5, then its counter go to 5 times. Okay, and if counter is go to 5, then 5 is not less than 5, then it's false condition and it's exit while loop body and execute this statement. So if I execute this statement, you can see here anonymous block 5, because it's execute up to 5 times. Okay, this is the similar example, but we use here loop instead of do, and we use here loop, then we need to write here end of the loop. Okay, so if I execute this statement, you can see here same result. It's execute up to 5 times. Here initially 0, then we execute here 0 plus 1, we assign to counter assign operator counter plus 1, which is 1. Again check here 1 is less than 5, then this is true, then execute again here 1 plus 1 2. Again we check here 2 is less than 5, then it's execute one time again. Here is 2 plus 1 3. Now 3 is check with 3 is less than 5. Yes, this is true. Then again 3 plus 1 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, again check here 4 plus 1, now 5 is 5 less than 5. This is false, then this condition is exist and return to here return 5. Okay, now let's create table for demonstration. Here I am creating employee table for our demonstration. Here is employee table created. Let's insert sample data. Let's validate. You can see here sample data inserted into employee table with this column, and this is the record. Okay, now let's see another example for while loop. So we declare here variable v underscore employee id in number data type and assign initial value to this variable, which is 1 in declare section, and begin and end block we write here while loop, and this is the while body. So we again apply here condition v underscore employee is less than equal to 3, then we use here loop and we want to execute this SQL statement. If this condition is true, then we use here update employee table set Sally equal to Sally plus we want to add here 500, where employee ID is equal to this variable v underscore number. Okay, and to use this variable in SQL statement, we write here colon, then this is the variable name we defined here. Then we use here v underscore employee. This is the counter. Exist condition is necessary. If this is not applied, then this loop goes infinite. Okay. So it is necessary to apply here any exist condition. Okay. So if I execute this statement, you can see here Sally updated for given employee. It's update for up to 3. Okay. If you want to check here, you can see here 3 employee updated. Okay. Previous Sally for 1, 2, 3 employee ID. Here is 50,000, 60,000 and 55,000. Now 50,500, 60,500 and 55,500. Okay. For all these condition is true, then execute this statement. Okay. So that is the demonstration of while statement. I hope you understand while loop in Snowflake scripting. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. In next video we will learn about for loop. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.